I was sick the entire month of November, and while things are different for me because I'm pregnant, I swear by this 4 ingredient immunity and cough syrup. It truly helped my entire family and it tastes heavenly. All you need is sage, which is an antioxidant that relieves sore throats, lemons, which are an excellent source of vitamin C, and ginger for its medical properties that help with cold and flu prevention. Pack the ingredients into a jar and fill halfway with raw honey, which helps suppress coughing and has so many antibacterial properties. From here, you can choose to ferment the honey, which will make alcohol, so be aware, blend and strain, or marinate and strain as you go. All the options are explained on the caption below.